What if I told you that a simple 10,000 rupee investment could grow into lakhs or even crores? Sounds tempting, right? But here's the truth. Investing isn't magic. It's not about overnight riches. It's about playing the long game, leveraging the power of compounding and making smart financial decisions. We all dream of financial freedom. The idea of money working for you while you sleep is exciting. But let's be honest, the stock market can feel intimidating. The ups and downs, the risk, the fear of losing money, it's enough to make anyone hesitate. Yet, here's the key difference. Those who build real wealth don't avoid the market, they learn how to use it wisely. And the good news, you don't need to be Warren Buffett to start. All you need is 10,000 rupees and a solid plan. But here's the catch. Opportunities don't last forever. The earlier you start, the more time compounding has to work in your favor. Every year you wait is money lost. So hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. You might be thinking, should I invest my 10,000 rupees directly in stocks? Well, unless you're ready to spend years mastering stock picking, the smarter move is to start with mutual funds. Why? Number one, diversification. Unlike a single stock that can crash, mutual funds spread your money across multiple companies, reducing risk. Number two, professional management. Expert fund managers handle your money. So number three is compounding power. Earlier you start, the bigger your long-term gains. And number four, proven success. Many investors have built lakhs and crores through consistent mutual fund investing. So is 10,000 rupee a good amount to start investing in stocks? Yes, but only if you invest it wisely. Direct stock investing with such a small amount carries higher risk. A smarter approach, start with mutual funds and build your wealth first. Once you have accumulated a few crores, then move into direct stock investing strategically. Here's the simple truth. We are creatures of habit. The more consistent we are, the better our results. This is why systematic investment plan SIPs work so well. They force accountability and ensure you stay on track with your financial goals. If you decide right now to invest 10,000 rupee every month for the next 10 years, you are making a powerful commitment to your future self. And the market, it may go up and down, but staying consistent ensures you benefit from rupee cost averaging and compounding over time. But here's the catch. Only those who take action now will reap the rewards later. So if you invest 10,000 rupees as a lump sum in an equity mutual fund with an average 12% return, here's how it grows. You can see the tabular column presented on the screen. In 10 years, your lump sum investment grows to 31,508 rupees. So in 15 years, it will grow to 54,736 rupees. In 20 years, it will grow to 96,463 rupees. And in 25 years, it will grow to 1.7 lakhs. And in 30 years, your lump sum investment will grow to 2.99 lakhs. So scenario number 2. What if instead of a one-time investment, you invest 10,000 rupees every month via an SIP? Here's what happens. In 10 years, your SIP investment grows to 15.7 lakhs. In 15 years, it will grow to 47.6 lakhs. In 20 years, it will grow to 92 lakhs. In 25 years, it will grow to 1.7 crores. In 30 years, it will grow to 3.1 crores. Huge difference, right? That's the power of consistency. Do you want even more bigger returns? Then if you increase your SIP by 10% each year, your investment grows even faster. Let's take a look at the tabular column presented on the screen. So in 10 years, your SIP plus 10% increase grows to 33.7 lakhs. In 15 years, it will grow to 86.8 lakhs. In 20 years, it will grow to 1.98 crores. And in 25 years, it will grow to 4.27 crores. And in 30 years, it will grow to 8.83 crores. This means if you start small but increase your contributions over time, you can create serious wealth without taking big risks. Can 10,000 rupee become 20,000 quickly if your goal is to double your money fast. The stock market may not be the best place unless you are an experienced trader. For most investors, mutual funds offer steady, reliable growth. On average, equity mutual funds can double your money in 6 to 7 years. Shortcuts rarely work. Smart investing does. If you're wondering what if I want to invest in stocks directly, here's the best approach. Step 1, build your first couple of crores through mutual funds. So mutual funds offer stable long-term growth with lower risk. Step 2, once you have a strong financial base, invest in direct stocks. Now you can afford to take calculated risk. Think of it like learning to drive. You don't start with a Formula 1 car. You begin with a reliable vehicle, learn the rules and upgrade when you're ready. But remember, every year you wait is a year of potential compounding loss. So what is the final takeaway from our video? You need to take action today. So every successful investor from Rakesh Junjunwala to Warren Buffett started with a single investment. The difference between those who dream of wealth and those who achieve it is taking action. You don't need 10 lakhs to begin. You need 10,000 rupees and the courage to take the first step. Want to start investing but not sure where to begin? We have got you covered. Click the link in the description to book a free consultation with one of our certified financial planner. Get a personalized investment plan that suits your financial goals and risk appetite. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on valuable money tips. Tell us in the comments. Are you ready to start investing? What's holding you back? Let's discuss. I will see you in the next video with much more interesting financial insights. So yeah, thank you for watching.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.